So good evening, Sir JM. So I am here in front of you to continue our reporting about illustrating propositions. Let's take this statement, Lapu-Lapu is a brave man. This statement, which we can represent with the variable P, is either true or false. If P equals Lapu-Lapu is a brave man. If Lapu-Lapu really is a brave man, then P is true. If it is not, then P is false. So, ang meaning ani niya kay ang variable P which is neither true or false. So, mahimong true ang P if tinuod ba jud nga brave si Lapu-Lapu and mahimo siyang false if dili na tinuod nga brave si Lapu-Lapu. So, let's move on to the conjunction. A conjunction is a compound statement representing the word and. For example, we have the following statements. P is equals Lapu-Lapu is a brave man. Q equals he fights for his countrymen's freedom. This conjunction P and Q are Lapu-Lapu is a brave man and he fights for his countrymen's freedom. This statement can only be true if both P and Q are true. That is, Lapu-Lapu is a brave man and he fights for his countrymen's freedom. If either P or Q is false, then the conjunction is false. So, here is an add sa explanation. A conjunction is a type of statement that joins two ideas or sentence using the word and. It connects two statements, we call them propositions, and makes one longer statement. So, ay hara ni siya matawag nga I hara ni siya maingon nga ang conjunction niya is true if ang duha ka propositions which is ang P and Q kay true. Ako examples diri besides sa Lapu-Lapu. P is equals the sun is shining, Q is equals the sky is blue. So gamitan na nato siya sa word nga and. So it becomes the sun is shining and the sky is blue. So, true ang conjunction if ang duha ka statements kay true. If ang duha niya ka sentence kay true, nga the sun is really shining and the sky is really blue. If true na siya, true ang conjunction. So, false na siya if ang sentence nimo kay if it's raining or the sky is gray, then the whole statement is false. So, if kana nga sentence ang imong gamiton kay ang conjunction niya is false. Let's move on to the disjunction. A disjunction is a compound statement representing the word or. In order for the disjunction to be true, one or both of the original statements has to be true. For example, we have the following statements. P is equals Lapu-Lapu is a brave man. Q is equals he fights for his countrymen's freedom. This disjunction, P or Q is Lapu-Lapu is a brave man or he fights for his countrymen's freedom. This statement is true if P or Q or both statements are true. If both statements are false, then the disjunction is false. So, I add another explanation aside. So, a disjunction is a kind of statement that joins two ideas using the word or. It connects two sentences. If the whole statement is true, one or both of them are true. So, ayhanin mo siya matawag nga true ang disjunction if ang isa or ang duha ka sentence kay true. So, if ang kuan pod, if false ang disjunction, mailhanin mo na siya if ang duha ka sentence kay false or dili tinuod. Disjunction pod kay statements na siya nga nag-join ang duha ka sentence or idea using the word or. So, nako examples. Let P equals I will go to school. Let Q equals I will stay at home. So, imo na siyang gamitan nga word nga or. I will go to school or I will stay at home. So, ma-figure out nimo siya nga true ang disjunction if you do one of them. If imuhang buhaton ang isa sa ilaha. So, false if you do neither. If wala kay buhaton sa ilaha.
Negation. Negation is a logical operation that changes the truth value of a statement to its opposite. If a statement is true, its negation is false. Example number 1 is, Lapu-Lapu is a brave man, which is true. Then the negation is, Lapu-Lapu is not a brave man, which is false. Example number 2 is, the sky is blue, which is true. And then the negation, the sky is not blue, which is false. In short, the negation of a statement gives the opposite meaning and opposite truth value. Implication is conditional if-then. Statement connects two ideas where the truth of one statement, which is the hypothesis, leads to the truth of another, which is the conclusion. Example number 1 is, if Lapu-Lapu is a brave man, then he fights for his countrymen's freedom. It has two parts. The if part is the hypothesis, and the then part is called the conclusion. An implication is only false when the hypothesis is true and the conclusion is false. Biconditional. Biconditional is a logical statement that connects two propositions, which is P and Q, and shows that both depend on each other. The biconditional means that if P is true, then Q must also be true. If Q is true, then P must also be true. If one is false, the other must also be false. So both must have the same truth value for the biconditional to be true. It is false when one is true and the other is false. In simple words, a biconditional says two things are equal in truth. They rise and fall together.